So here we are going to demonstrate about solar based grass cutting system, and here we are going to use a slider connect mechanism. So here we can see the free wheels connected to the setup, and 12 volt solar panel connected to the 12 volt 7 amp lead acid battery, and this is the charging circuit and a toggle switch to on and off. So this entire setup is moved manually, and whereas the motor is going to be working on with the help of 1000 rpm Johnson motor, which is an high torque motor, which consists of an output rotations per minute of 1000. So when we give power supply to this motor, the wheel here you can see starts to rotate in circular motion, whereas here we have connected a slider wire to the blade. So this will be rotating like to and fro motion. So let us see the demonstration how it rotates. So when I toggle the switch on over here, so there you can see the blades are moving to and fro. So like this you can connect the wheel. So this is how the grass cutting machine is going to be work. So thank you.